AirPods, just Apple AirPods. So let's unbox this now first, and comparison with the Pro is next. So let's get started. Hello guys, here is the old version of AirPods with the charging case which are compatible with iOS device like Apple Watch and also Mac along with the latest software. Let's check this price, which is around rupees 14,900 include of all the taxes. The box is designed in such a way that the long ports inside will occupy the less space for comfortable feel and handy grip. Here's the knife. So it's time to open the box and explore the Apple sound. Okay, I will draw the square perfectly with this knife like an artist. Let me try. The length, breadth, the square contains all the sides are equal, so the square is over it. Okay, shall we open this box in a simple way and take all the stuff away? Sorry, I don't like this. Let's try something different. So first, the transparent theme is taken outside, and let's open not in a simple way. So I'll open like different. So what are present inside this Apple craft box? Yes, there are three little things. The first one is of course manual, where the info says about the connection with the iOS devices, so how to connect like that, and there is a back also with the pictures. Coming to the next one, it always says about the terms and some supporting words like Apple, and the last one is that's a warranty book or a warranty card like of the Apple products. So done with this, let's keep inside the box and pull out something other. Okay, the case of the pods, let's keep it aside and let's try something or the other. So this charging cable which with USB port with one side and the type C with the other side, and keep this also not useful, we know already, so we'll keep inside and pull it off. So now the all accessories are completed. We will talk this about the charging case. So I want to say something about this case. This charging case which gives a wireless charge and also steady standard charge. And coming to the pods, voice assistance, that's Hey Siri is always on, sweat and water resistance also. The battery life is up to 4.5 to 5 hours in one charge, and listening with the charging case is more than 24 hours. And guys, there is a new feature, that's latest. If you purchase this Pods or Pods Pro in the applestore.in, there is a free engraving that will design your name on the case with your customized language. So hurry up and buy it. I'll provide the link, and I'll also provide the unbox and review of this Pods which I compared just now. You can see the difference of the Pods and Pods Pro. So I'll provide the link in the description. So this is up to the video guys. I hope you like the video, so please like, share, comment, and yes, don't forget to subscribe. So this is Sree Ganesh signing off, and thank you. We will meet in the next video, and bye.